understand that this channel that you're watching here, Coolest Life, this is one of the few channels, and I say that with a little chip on my shoulder because a lot of channels you check out, they have one subject. Well, that's not a channel, that's a show. Okay, if it never changes, the subject matter never changes, that's a show. It's so this is truly a channel where you can find, and I'll prove it to you. You can find our playlist. I got like 40 videos there, nothing but church reviews. I got about 40 videos that are I got maybe 25, I guess, DIYs, 140 or 130 Masonic videos, and about 170 travel videos. So they're definitely different. Each one, the format is basically the same. I'll do an intro, and then we'll have the intro music play with some pictures of what the subject matter is going to be, and then I'll go through the whole video and everything. But it's definitely different in that case. But I'm going to keep on going with this video because I think I got more to show you. Woo! Got the sun in my eyes. My goodness, I can hardly see. I am down here in Florida still, and I'm on the way to go see an old friend named Marty. Marty's a buddy of mine. I met him in 1999, and he's coming this way probably, I don't know, 20-30 minutes from where he's at in Navarro Beach in Florida. But I'm going to see him. Hopefully I give you some video of our encounter. Well, good news and bad news. Good news is I did meet with my buddy Marty. Bad news is I didn't record any of it. It's one of the advantages of traveling so much is you get a chance to see some people you haven't seen in a while and visit old friends again. I really enjoy Marty's company. We have like minds on a lot of subjects throughout the gamut of life, but religiously and socially and everything. We've got a lot in common. Really enjoyed talking with him.
Are you ready? Yeah. Over here! Santa Monica City!
Sharkies.
Hope you guys swallow. Hope you guys swallow.
So today we're kind of hanging out here at the beach today. So I'll give you a little addition to this conglomeration video we're doing and show you what I'm looking at. That's not half bad. How about the color of that water? It's like being in Hawaii. There's not, Aruba's got this color, and definitely Hawaii and some different places in the Caribbean. It's pretty though, isn't it? Panama City here. There's the pier from Pier Park. So you can tell where we're at. It's a little crowded out here. Actually, most of these umbrellas are empty. But it's definitely a great day to be outside, let me tell you. Oh, of course, it's so much fun. That's my crew right there in front of me. One of them is. Oh, this thing's bouncing like crazy. Freaking neon golf in here. And putt-putt course inside. That was fun. It shook up a little bit on this thing, that's for sure. Phew, it messed up my hair. These are bumper boats. I'm getting wet with this stuff. Trying not to get my phone wet. I'm sorry, my camera, my high-tech camera. Still did.
You're stopping me underneath the boat.
Excuse me. A lot of fun. But you didn't want to get wet. She doesn't. Look at you laying my foot on my hand. We're down here at the monument here in Indianapolis, and we're about to go inside this place. Yeah, we're actually going to ride the elevator all the way up. Way up there. That's right. You should come with us. So now we are inside the tower. I've actually never been inside the tower. Neither has he. Have you? No. So we're going to go inside the tower and check out this is inside here. We got a lot of stuff like that on the walls. We're gonna go grab the elevator and go up to the observation deck. Cool. So get out of the elevator and we are off those steps. We are up top of the tower in a circle. Downtown Indianapolis. There's Lucas Oil right there. That's where the Colts play. And that is the Capitol building. There. That's Bubby. Let's look at north, I believe. Cool though. Never been here. And between these trees is a really cool building. Indiana Repertory Theater. Cool, huh? Neat. Architecture's crazy. Ooh, Capitol building. Big nasty. Let's look inside real quick. This is one end of it. Really good looking place. Love this architecture. You just don't make them like that no more. So there's the dome and here's the main entrance here. They got a placard there that says State Capitol building. Almost steady enough, huh? I'm gonna try to go inside these main doors here. Let me pick up my stuff. I like these old buildings. Just you don't see them all the time, especially if they're not a Capitol building. You're not going to see stuff like this. That's cool. We are inside. I've got Unibomber with me. He's a little afraid of heights. He's looking down at this. Nice ceiling. This is one wing of the rotunda. This would be the east side, I think. That's pretty cool. Look up that. How big it is. It's like life size. It's not as big as a full grown one. It's pretty good size. See that in there? Yeah, you can kind of see it. Yeah. There's the center of the rotunda there. All stained glass. And that's down center. This is Saturday, so that's why it's not really all that busy here. Different floors over there. Lots of statues in the corners though. Cool place. Got a big glass we're looking through here. This is the Indiana House of Representative Chambers. That's pretty cool. Don't see that every day. Here at in the middle of Fort Wayne, Indiana. Right here at this monument here, which is of General Anthony Wayne, which is basically the namesake of the city. Oh, there he is. It's big too. He's about twice larger than life. Well, that's my nephew over there. See him? It sits right here downtown in this park. They got a beautiful fountain on Wolf Play. It's kind of neat. It's in downtown center, and they've got lots of shops and stuff around here. It's cool. I like big bronze monuments like this. Anybody guess where I am now? I'll give you a hint. Last time I did a video like this, we were in Clemson. I was up against a big wall. Let me see if you can tell where I am now. Anybody? Anybody? Yes, over there. Oh, if you said Michigan, you'd be correct. We're out front of the big house. That would be Michigan Stadium. The big house. What's this place hold? 120,000? Something big and nasty is all I know. So now we're downtown in Ann Arbor. Just taking pictures of something. I don't know. And I'm gonna go down here to Emden. Check out this place. See this place right there? Isn't it kind of cool? I don't know what it is. Oh, here's something interesting. This is a Boulder Garden at Carpenter Lake. And the reason why they call it Boulder Garden is because it is exactly that. The neat thing about this that I like is they encourage you to go and explore and climb on these things. So I see pictures online of kids all over the thing, and so there's different places. It talks about the different types of rocks you're going to find in this area, and of course some of them are placed. Some of them are really big, like that big giant one over there. You see that one right there? Not that one. This one over here. Yeah. But, let's go check it out. So perspective wise, that one's about 10 feet up, maybe 11. And they got these laid up here like Cadillac Ranch. You know what I mean? Just kind of sticking out of the ground. Cool little area though. This is early morning. I think today's Tuesday, and we got some time to kill, so we saw this on the on Google Maps. We thought, hey, let's check it out. Let's hear the birds. You can also hear the cars that are nearby. Got some ferns and different bizarre looking trees like this. I don't know what kind that is. Someone can post that down in the comments what kind of tree that is. I don't know. And they got these kind here. I think fur's in the name. I don't mean furb as in F-E-R-B. Oh, check out that one. See how sparkly it is? It's so shiny like it's wet. The chalcopyrite? Some kind of pyrite. Nice. Full silver. We got several of them. There's one up there. That pointy one there. Cool little garden. Just come check it out if you're in town. We are just north of Detroit, just by a little bit.